Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Jillian coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, October 1st, 2018. Happy October! The weather today in Schaumburg will be 75 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Cubs won last night to the Cardinals with a score of 10-5. The Sox lost last night against the Twins with a score of 4-5. The Bears won last night against Tampa with a score of 48-10. The Bulls won last night against the Pelicans with a score of 128-116. Clubs meeting today are Hoover Harmonics will meet in the music room from 3 to 3:45. Announcements for today are Monday lesson groups. Please bring your Chromebooks to lessons. Today is National Homemade Cookies Day. Be sure to make your favorite cookie. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by Room 207. Have a Make More Money Monday!